Welcome back. This is a continuation of what of our lessons on short final exam question and examples in what further mathematics on what on sets, sets, short final exam questions and examples on sets in what further mathematics. So this is a theory question. Theory question. Say that simplify 1 minus square root of 3 all over square root of 5 minus square root of 3 minus 1 plus square root of 3 all over square root of 5 plus square root of 3. So here, this is a fractional set, and then we are subtracting. And interestingly, the numerator of the first term is what is a conjugate of what of the numerator of the second term, and then the denominator of the first term is also what the conjugate of the denominator of the second term. So since it means that the denominators, the product of the denominators are are conjugates, or the product is what is conjugate. The product of the denominators is what, or if you multiply the denominators, then the product will conjugate. I mean, you think the product will be conjugate. You get a difference of what 2 squares. Therefore, what we simplify this or subtract this fractional set by finding the LCM. So we find the LCM. Okay. Yeah. So this is equal to. Let us continue straight away. So we find the LCM. So what will be the LCM? The LCM is what? The product of the what conjugate. So which is what? Square root of 5 minus square root of what? 3, and then times what? Square root of what? 5 plus what? Square root of 3. Okay. Yeah. So if you have this, so this divided by the whole of divided by 5 root 5 minus root 3. So root 5 to go into this root 5 plus root 3. In other words, so cancel. So that's what this is what it means. So I hope you understand. This is what I mean. So the LCM is what? Square root of 5 minus square root of 3. Okay. So into bracket square root of what? Square root of 5 plus square root of 3. This is the LCM. Then so this LCM, so this divided by this. So we are dividing by what? Square root of what? 5 minus square root of 3. Okay. Yes, so this will cancel this. We go into this, then this will be the answer. Square root of 5 plus square root of 3. So what do we get? We get so square root of, we get square root of what? 5 plus square root of what? 3. And to go and multiply what? 1 minus what? 1 minus square root of what? 2. Okay? Then minus, minus. And then we have what? So this what do you call it? Denominator? This time divided by what? 5 plus square root of 5 plus square root of what? 3. So this will go and cancel, then we get square root of 5 minus what? Minus square root of 3. And we go and multiply. So this is what? Square root of 5 minus square root of what? 3. To bracket. Then multiply what? 1 plus square root of what? Square root of 2. Okay? Yes. So that is it. So let's come down here. Let's come down. So this is equal to what? So this is equal to, we can expand. So let us expand. Mean this is what? Square root of 5. We go and multiply. So I think this one, guys, you have to simplify. You know, write the whole thing. You have to, yes, you have to understand. You are letting my students be able to understand this. So it means that square root of 5 will multiply this whole thing. So square root of 5 times 1, we get square root of 5. Okay. Then square root of 5 times negative square root of 2. Then we get what? Negative square root 2 times 5, negative square root of 10. That's what we get. Okay. So we have, and then you come to the term square root of 3. I mean, the term of square root of 3 is the 10 of this, is the 10. Sorry. So square root of 3 times what? Times 1, you get positive square root of 3. Then square root of 3 times negative square root of 2. You get negative square root of what? Negative square root of 6. This is what we get. We have finished with this term. Then we come to this. So negative minus. Put your minus sign into bracket. Square root of 5 times 1. We get square root of 5. And then square root of 5 times positive square root of 2. We get plus what? Square root of what? 10. And then we have negative square root of 3 times what? Times positive 1, get negative square root of 3. And then negative square root of 3 times positive square root of 2, get negative square root of what? 6. This is what we get. Okay. All over this one, man. You did that they are hot conjugate. So product of the conjugate give you what? Difference of what? 2 squares. So this one you get square root of what? Square root of 5 all squared minus square root of 3 all squared. If you expand, this is what you get. Okay. So let's come up here. We're going up here. Okay. So this is equal to what? We have square root of 5. Square root of 5 minus. So let us write and try to, yes. Let's you write the same thing. You write. Let's keep writing. So we have the first term is square root of 5 minus square root of what? 10. Then plus square root of what? 3 minus square root of what? 6. So this is what we have read, the whole thing from here to here. Then we have minus. So the negative. So this is what this negative sign. We can take this negative sign inside. So to me that this negative sign is the same as -1 is multiplying the whole thing. So negative, this is negative, become negative. This become what is negative become positive. Okay. So we have what negative what. So this one will be negative square root of 5. Negative square root of 5, and this one will be negative square root of what 10. Negative square root of negative square root of what 10. Okay, sorry, let me calm down. So okay, so let me cut this one, let me bring it here. So negative what? Square root of what? Square root of 5. This is it coming from here. The negative square root of 10. Negative square root of 10. And then positive square root of 3. So it become plus square root of 3. Then plus square root of what? 6. This is what we have, okay? And then all over what? All over. All over. Square root of 5. All square. Square root of sorry, square root of 5 times square root of 5. Square root of 25. So at the end you get 5. And then minus also square root of 3, what square, which is square root of 9, which is what 3 is what you get, okay? So this is equal to, let us rearrange, square root of 5 is here, and then we have, so this is positive and this is negative, so let us rearrange. So we have square root of 5, square root of 5, then we can bring this negative square root of 5, so this and this, negative square root of 5, so minus square root of 5, then we have negative square root of 10, then we will bring this negative square root of 10. So minus negative square root of 10. Then we have square root of 3. Square root of 3. We have plus square root of 3 here. So plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3. So this and this, these two. Okay. Then we have negative square root of what? Negative square root of 6 plus square root of 6. Okay. So this is square root of 3, guys. Square root of 3. Square root of 3. This one. Okay, fine. So minus what? Square root of 6, and then plus square root of what? Square root of 6. I think that is all. For this and this, this and this. Yes, that is all. And all over 3, 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So what is this? Square root of 5 minus square root of 5. This will go to 0. So it means that s minus s of yes. So it will go to 0. So we have 0. The minus square root of 10 minus square root of 10. This is the same as what? Negative 2 root what? 2 root 10. Okay? Yes. Yes, that is negative. I hope you understand. If you have negative square root of 10 minus square root of what? 10. Can factorize square root of 10 out. So you can factorize, or if you like negative square root of 10, can factorize it out. Then you get what? You get 1 plus what? 1. So that if you expand negative, get negative square root of 10 times negative square root of 10, which is this. So 1 plus 1, you get 2. So then you get negative is equal to a negative square root of 10 to bracket 2. 2 times negative square root of 10, which is negative 2 root 10. Okay? Hope you are enjoying, you are following, you understand. And this one, so positive square root of 3 plus square root of 3. So you get 2 root what? 2 root 3. This is what you get, okay? And then negative square root of 6 plus what? Square root of 6. So this and this, they will go to 0. So plus what? 0. All over 2. So this is equal to what? You have negative 2 root what? Root 10 plus 2 root what? Root 3. All over 2. You can separate them as what? Negative 2 root 10 all over 2. Then plus what? 2 root 3 all over 2. So these two will cancel these two. These two will cancel these two. Okay? So you get what? Negative square root of 10 plus square root of what? 3. We can rearrange and write it as what? We can change their position by writing the square root of 3 first, which is square root of 3 minus square root of what? 10 as our final answer, guys. Yes. So this is interesting. This is fine, guys. I hope you are enjoying. You are following. Get to understand. Don't memorize. Thank you for watching. If you are benefiting, the only thing you can do for me to see is what by subscribe. So subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, students. Hello, students. This is another question. Let us consider this example. This was your say on what solve final exam question and examples in what on sets in what further mathematics or elective mathematics. So this is also a theory question. Say answer all questions carry equal marks. Okay. So this is question number 1, A and B. This is the B. You say express 3 root 2 plus 4 root 3 all over 6 root 3 plus 2 root 2 in the form. I think we just solved a similar example. P plus Q root R, where P, Q, and R are hot rational numbers. Yes. So yes, guys, let us move on quickly. So we have what 3 root 2. This is a question plus what 4 root what root 3 all over 6 root what? Root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay? So yeah, this is a fractional set. You have to, it has only one term, so you have to what? Rationalize. So we look for the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of 6 root 3 plus 2 root 2 is what? The conjugate is 6 root what? 3 minus what? 2 root 2. This is the conjugate, okay? So this is equal to, write the same, the question, 3 root 2, and plus what? 4 root what? Root 3, all over 6 root what? 6 root 3 plus 2 root what? Root 2. Then this is the question. Then we multiply it by what? The conjugate, the numerator by the conjugate, which is what? 6 root what? Root 3 minus 2 root what? Root 2. All over 6 root what? Root 3 minus what? 2 root 2. Okay? So this is what we have. Multiply the numerator together. So you have 3 root what? Root 2 plus 4 root what? Root 3. Okay? Then to bracket what? 6 root what? Root 3 minus 2 root what? Root 2. All over what? All over 6 root what? Root 3 plus 2 root what? Root 2. Then times what? Multiplying 6 root 3 minus what? 2 root what? Root 2. So mind you, this product is what? Difference of two squares. Why? Because they are what? They are conjugate. Okay? Fine, let's come down here. This is equal to what? It's equal to, so to mean that this 3 root what? 3 root 2 will multiply the whole thing 6 root 3 minus 2 what? 2 root 2. When it finishes, then the 4 root 2 will also go multiply the whole thing, which is what? 6 root what? Root 3 minus what? 2 root what? Root 2. Okay? So all over, what do we get? This one, I'll just write down some difference of two squares. We get this all squared and then minus this all squared. So we get what? Denominator, I get 6 root 3. All squared minus what? 2 root what? Root 2. All squared. This is what we get for the denominator. Okay? Yes. So this is equal to, okay, let's come down here and we can come up here. So this is equal to, so 3 root 2 times 6 root 3. So 3 times 6, 18. Multiply the rational number together. 3 times 6 is what? 18. And then times square root of 2 times square root of 3. You get square root of what? 6. Okay? After then we come to this. 3 root 2 times negative 2 root 2. Okay? So 3 times negative 2. You get negative 6. Root what? Root 2 times root 2. You get root 4. Okay? After that, with that time, we come to this term. And we get is positive 4 root 2 times what? 6 root 3. So 4 times 6 is what? 24. 24. And then square root of 2 times square root of 3 is 24 root what? Root 6. Then we come to this. 4 times 2 is what? Negative 2. 4 times negative 2, negative 8. And then square root of 2 times square root of 2 is what? 4. Okay? This is what we get. And then all over, if you have this, know that this is what the same as what? C squared times what? Square root of 3, all squared. Okay? So we get c squared is what? We get 36. C6 is what? 36. And then times square root of 3 all squared, you get 3. Okay? And then minus 2. This is what? 2 squared is what? 4. Times square root of 2 all squared, you get 2. Okay? Yeah, this is what you get. Okay? Yeah. So let us continue. You have 18. You have what? 18 root what? Root 6. Okay, guys, let's go up. Let me go up. So this is equal to what? We have this is 18 what? 18 root what? Root 6. Then minus what? This root 4 is 2. So we have negative 6, 2 times 2. Then we have plus 24 root what? Root 6. And then minus 8. Root 4 is what? 2. Okay? All over. If you have 36, 36 times 3. So 36 times 3. And then minus 8. So let us maintain the 36 times 3. Okay? Fine. So this is equal to, you have fine. So we bring the rational numbers together, square root of okay. So 18 root what? Root 6. Okay? And then this is plus. So plus 24 root 6. And then minus what? 6 times 2. This is what? Minus 6 times 2 is what? 6 2. Minus 6 times 2 is what? 12. And then minus 2 times 8 is what? Negative 8 times 2 is what? Negative 16. Okay? So what is what? 16, 12. You get 8, 28. So negative 28. Okay? All over. This is all over 36 times what? 3 minus what? Minus 8. Okay? Fine. So this is equal to, we have this is equal to 18. We have 18 root 6 plus what? 24 root 6. Okay? 18 root 6 plus 24 root 6. So we have 18 plus what? 24. which is what? 18 plus 24. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. 1. 18 plus 24, so 3, 42. Is it? We have 42. 42 root 6 for the first one, and then we have what? Negative 28. Negative 20 minus 28 all over what? All over 36 times 3 minus what? Minus 8. Okay? So what is 36 times 3? 36. So 36 is the same as 3 times 30 plus 6. Okay? And just 3 is 9. 90 plus 3 is what? 18. Okay? So this is 90 plus 18. What do we get? 8. 10. 108. So 36 times 3 we get 108. 108. So this is equal to what? So is equal to what? Sorry. This is where we are. Sorry, not here. Okay? We are here at the bottom here. So we have what? 108 minus what? Minus 8. Okay? So this is equal to 42. With what? With 6 minus what? 28. All over 108 minus 8 is what? 100. Okay? So this one, you can just divide. You can just separate them. Can rewrite them as what? 42. Sorry, 42 with what? With 6 all over 100 minus what? 28 all over 100. Okay? Yeah. So 2 will goes here, 2 will go here, and 2 will go here. Okay? Fine. So this is equal to what? It's equal to it's equal to the same as you can if you are here, you can just factorize the 2 out, and then these 2 will just cancel. So from here, okay, fine. So let me divide for you to see. So it means that 2 goes here, 2 will go here out 50 times, and then 2 will go here 20 what? 21. So 21. Okay, and then 2 will go here 50. Okay, and then 2 will go here 14. Okay, 14. Okay, yes. So 14, 2 can still go here and can still go here. 21. Okay. So this is equal to, I get 21. 21 over 50. Over 50 minus. So sorry, this is 21 with 6. Get 21 with 6. 21 with 6 minus what? 21 with 6 all over 50 minus what? Minus 14 with what? 50. Okay. Which is 21 with 6 all over 50. Then minus 2 goes here, 7, 2 goes here. 25. Okay. Yes, 25. So we get 7 over 25. So this is the final answer. Okay. Yes, this is the final answer. 21 with 6 all over 50 minus 7 over 25. Guys, I hope you are enjoying. This is not difficult at all. This is the only thing you need to understand. That's why the name of the channel is what? Get Understanding. Don't memorize, because understanding is fun. So guys, if you are really benefiting and enjoying and you are getting understanding, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon so that if additional videos are uploaded, you'll be notified automatically. Don't forget to also share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, students.